everyone, welcome back to my channel Love Balance Everything. Today I have mystery Labubu boxes from the Begin to Energy series. I don't know which ones are inside, so let's open them together and find out. Now see what we can get. There are a total of 6 normal Labubus and there's one special Labubu. There is love, hope, serenity, luck, happiness and loyalty in this series. There's also a secret one that I heard that is grey in color with rainbow teeth. So let's open it. Okay, I have taken out the first packet. Let us see. Wow, it's the Labubu on the cover. It's happiness. It looks so cute, right? Its name is Happiness, and it has a super soft finish, is bright and peachy orange, has neat details with shiny eyes, and it's perfect for cuddling or display. Now let me show you the second Labubu. So let's open it. This one is the special Labubu. Wow, it looks so cute, right? This one's amazing. It has dark black and grey fur with rainbow glitter in its eyes and shiny rainbow teeth. This is incredible. It looks so magical and rare, like a special collector's piece. It has sparkling rainbow eyes with glittery teeth. It has such a unique and rare design. And like the happiness, it is also perfect for collectors and display. Wow, we got 2 completely different Labubus. One is bright and cheerful, and the other one is rare and sparkly magical. Both of them are so adorable. I can't even pick a favorite. If you love this mystery unboxing video, hit the like button, share and subscribe buttons for more fun toy reviews like this review and surprises. Which one was your favorite among all of the Labubus? Tell me your suggestion in the comments. Bye.